In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make checkmark bullets on Microsoft Word. If you're creating a checklist, task list, or any document where you want your bullet points to look like checkmarks, Microsoft Word lets you customize the bullets instead of using the standard bullet style. To get started, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to create your checkmark bullets. In this example, we already have a bulleted list. To create a regular bulleted list, go to the Home tab at the top of the Word window. In the Paragraph section, click the Bullets button and choose one of the available bullet styles. There are several options available, including regular bullets, numbered lists, and different indented styles. For this example, we'll use a regular bulleted list with several items. You can edit the text in the list just like normal. One useful feature is that when you click one of the bullets, Word can select the entire bulleted list. This makes it easier to work with the list as a whole instead of having to select each individual bullet. Now, to change the standard bullets into checkmarks, right-click on one of the bullets in the list. From the menu that appears, move to Bullets, and then select Define New Bullet. A dialog box will appear with options for creating a customized bullet. You can choose either a symbol or a picture for your new bullet. For this tutorial, select Symbol. The symbol window will open, showing different characters that can be used as bullets. You'll see that the available symbols depend on the font you're using. To find a checkmark, open the font list and select Wingdings. Wingdings contains many different symbols and special characters, making it useful when you want to customize the appearance of a list. After selecting Wingdings, look through the available symbols. Near the bottom of the list, toward the right side, you'll find several useful symbols, including an X, a checkmark, and a checkmark inside a box. For this example, select the regular checkmark. Once the checkmark is selected, click OK to confirm your choice. You'll return to the Define New Bullet window, where you can see the selected checkmark being used as the new bullet. Click OK again to apply the change. Word will immediately replace the standard bullets throughout the selected list with checkmarks. You should now see a checkmark next to each item instead of the original round bullet. This is a simple way to customize a bulleted list and create a checklist-style appearance directly in Microsoft Word. And that's how you can make checkmark bullets in Microsoft Word using the Define New Bullet option and a symbol from the Wingdings font. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,